motherfucking representing it here tonight.
Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. Gotta cut up too, you know. That's a real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand.